Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart seeing what's new, and a special thank you to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. So if you like these kind of shop with me's, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's go shopping. First are these new sweaters from Free Assembly. They have the crew neckline, ribbed side, the ribbed bottom, puff shoulder detail in the navy and white, also the red and navy, and these are going to be $22. Pull-on skirts from Free Assembly. They have an elastic waistband. It's a nice kind of textured material, has that fit and flare with button detail, and those are functioning buttons. Same fit through the back in the green and blue plaid. Also comes in the navy and white, and they're $28. Also new wrap skirt from Free Assembly. So this has the side buckle detail. It's wrapped from a textured, thicker material in the blue and white gingham, and they're going to be $28. And then right next to it is another new hoodie from Scoop. There's that scuba material, has that same detail, the banded wrist with the hood in the back, and they are going to be $32. Color in the sweater from Scoop. So this has that higher neckline, the drop sleeve, oversized ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back. I'm pretty sure these are on sale. So regularly going to be at $29. I think they're on sale for $21. Those sweatpants from Scoop. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, they're wide leg with the raw hem. Inside, it's a super soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. This is the sweatshirt to match. So these have the ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom, same soft fleece, and then the same kind of fit through the back. Seamless tanks from No Boundaries. So these have the thin strap, that V neckline. They have removable pads, and then it's squared in the back. In the yellow, there's also blue and pink, and these are $6.98. Sweater from No Boundaries. These have the crew neckline, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back. It's like more boxy. These are super soft, stretchy, and the gray and white also comes in the yellow and white, and they are going to be $17.98. They also have a new print in the Sherpa hoodies, and these are also on sale online. So they have that wrap front, the drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom, same fit through the back. NYC, we also saw it in like a number in the, I think it's like a white with the blue, and they're on sale for like $10 and change. And then to match the sweatshirts, they have these pants. So they only have this in the print that I'm wearing, this pink, and then also the floral. They have an elastic waistband, that true jogger bottom, same fit through the back, and they're $12.98. These sweatshirts, they have the short. So I showed them in last week's video, but they have an elastic waistband, the side pocket. So this one goes with that. They also have the blue and then I think gray. And those are, I think they're $10. So new track pants from No Boundaries. So these have a lightweight kind of windbreaker material with the lace trim. They also have the slits on the side, and they are going to be $14.98. The shorts that match back to the solid hoodies. They have this little lace trim. They're fleece with the raw hem in that gray, also in the blue. We saw those last week. And then in that pink camel print that I'm wearing now, they have the shorts. And then they also have some new colors in that, the purple or burgundy, and then also the gray. So new from No Boundaries are these Henley super soft stretchy shirts. So that's what they look like up close, a little different than the last ones. Fitted through the wrists in the white, gray, and black, and they're $6.98. Denim from Celebrity Pink. So this is called the baggy jean. It looks like they are mid-rise. They have some distressing, and then the same through the back. In this light wash also comes in the dark indigo, and they're $20.50. New tees from No Boundaries. So look, they match my sweatshirt. These have that crew neckline, fitted. They're short sleeve. They have pink and then black and gray, and there's also white, and they're $5.98. Also have the new Sofia Vergara pull-on jeans. So these have an elastic waistband. They're fitted, flare. They're really stretchy, and then the seam detailing in the back, and these are $25. A new pull short sleeve sweaters from Free Assembly. So these have that rib neckline, this little shoulder detail, the ribbed sleeve, Also the bottom, Henley style buttons. In the navy, they also have a crew neck style with the stripe. In the navy with the white, there's solid white. And short sleeves are 16, and then the little collared tops are 24. We're also seeing these skirts from Time and True for the first time in store. So they have the little slit. It's a nice thicker material, and then the same fit through the back. So this is the size 8. It does look true to size. Crochet top from No Boundaries. So this has that V neckline, the open little button details, ruffled trim, same fit through the back. Oh, it also has the little matching skirt. How adorable. And the two pieces are only $22.98. Oh, snap front leg dress. This has the smaller collar, seam detail button. First time we're seeing this green color, and they're $29.98. Also new from Lee are these plush jackets. So these have that V neckline, oversized tortoise buttons, relaxed to the wrist with the two front pockets. Same fit through the back. In this gray plaid, also comes in the red, and they're $29.98. Also new fleece hoodie from Scoop. So this has that wrap front, the kangaroo pocket. It's a super soft fleece, ribbed wrist with the gathering, and then the hood in the back. Hoodie sets from No Boundaries. So these have that wrap style front, the drop sleeve, banded wrist, more of a shorter boxy fit. Pants are fold over, fit and flare, and the same fit through the back. In the gray, also comes in the blue star, and the two pieces are $19.97. So I have these new sweat sets from No Boundaries. So these have that V neckline, the little ribbing, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist with the ribbed bottom. Same fit through the back. Inside, it's a soft fleece. In the blue California, they also have pink with Lucky One. Those are $16.98. And then right next to it, they have the matching pull-on pants. So these have an elastic waistband, drawstring, that same soft lace with the side pocket, seam detailing with the same fit through the back. In the pink, also comes in the blue, and they're $16.98. Also new crochet dresses from Time and True. So these have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, midi length, has that scoop in the back. It is an open knit. In the green, also comes in the multicolored stripe, and they're $24.98. So new smock dresses from Time and True. So these have the thin strap, they're adjustable. It's a gauze material, fit and flare. You guys know we're in Florida when you see this out in December, but these are $19.98. So new ribbed long sleeve tees from Time and True. So these have that crew neckline, some new colors, and then the banded wrists. I bought the white in the beginning of the season. They also had the pink and the gray. And this is like one of my most comfortable tees. They also have this new brown color and the black. New little bike shorts from No Boundaries. So this is that soft material. How cute is this yellow floral print? They're pull-on. There are other more shorter style. Not the shorty shorts, but not the ones that had like the longer side pocket. So they have this new yellow floral. There's also the navy. There's solid black. The blue color. There's a mauve. I think there's white back here. Oh no, it's gray. And these are $5.48. They also have this green, another pink. I have new one-piece bathing suits from No Boundaries. These have the thin strap, the underwire fitted, comes up in the back. These are $19.98. And then this one has the little cutout, the medallion halter neck, and this one's also $19.98. Swim dresses from Time and True. So I guess they're getting ready for, everyone's probably going on vacation. They have the thicker strap, scoop neckline, that tie in the corally red, also in the blue, and they're $24.98. On this side, they have it in the green and then also black. So new kimono and swim pieces from Sofia Vergara. So this is open front, relaxed to the wrist. How fun is this leaf print? And in that same material, they have these sheer pull-on pants. So they have an elastic waistband, wide leg, and then they also have the swimwear to match. They have that one piece with the little ring detail. And then a bikini with the high-rise bottoms. They also have a little cover-up. On this side, that's the bikini top that goes with that. And then in that leaf print, this is the one piece that goes with it. How cute. And then I love the little sarong in that green print. They also have this print, really pretty. So it's what the top looks like. And the bottoms. It's saying that these are 36, so I'm not sure if everything is 36. New crochet pieces from No Boundaries. So shorts, they have an elastic waistband tie, open knit in the ivory, also comes in the black. They're $9.98. The top to match has the higher neckline, boxy fit. This one is $12.98. And then they have the dress cover up. This one has a thin strap set, plunging V, a little bit of a relaxed fit. And that one. So new sequin shorts. So these have an elastic waistband, the tie. It's a sheer with the kind of lace detail. How pretty. And then the same fit through the back. Also new from No Boundaries are these ruffled nightgowns. So they have that ruffled trim squirt in the back in the black. Also comes in red. There's pink and purple, and those are $14.98. And then also in those prints, they have the tanking shorts from No Boundaries. So this has an adjustable strap, tie front with the peplum squirt in the back. Shorts are pull-on. They have the little slit on the sides. In the black, red, there's pink and purple, and the two pieces are $14.98. So new pajama and robes from Joy Spun. So these are satin material. It has the lace trim, tie on the inside and outside. In the red, also in the black. That's what the black trim looks like. Robes are $17.98. New pajama sets from Way to Celebrate. So it's a pointel material. It has the Henley buttons, V neckline, the lettuce trim. Shorts are pull-on with the drawstring, and the little cactus with the cowboy. They also have the red. It says love. There's the pink with the strawberry and chocolates. A pink with the bear and the balloons, and the two pieces are $16.98. So new from Way to Celebrate are these 2-pack of the plush shorts. So these have an elastic waistband, that boxer patch, the side pocket, in the red with love, and then the blue bear, the chocolate cherries, and the pink hearts, the little cowboy boots with the pink heart, and then the pink and red hearts with the black. And you get two of those for $12.98. Go with the Joy Spun robes. They have these nightgowns. So this has the lace top. It's a little sheer. Wrap front, flowy, squared in the back. In the red, also in the black. Those are $9.98. I also have this style. It's like a stretchy material with the lace trim, squared in the back. In the floral, there's also leopard, and those are $9.98. And they also have from Joy Spun the little satin tank with the lace trim shorts in that heart print. And then also solid black. $11.98. And then they have the stretchy style with the lace trim tank and the pull-on shorts. In the leopard, also in black, they have the stripe and the floral, and those are also two pieces for $11.98. Also some new print in the shorts, pajamas from Joy Spun. So these are a stretchy material. It has the full button with the pull-on shorts. $16.98 in this new red and pink. We saw the pink and black polka dot. There's a new blue and white stripe. There's leopard, the black and pink. And then over here, pink lips. And the two pieces are $16.98. Also have these new pajama separates from Joy Spun. So it's a pointel tee. It has the scallop trim. Relaxed fit is the extra small. And then a pull-on drawstring short with the tie side pocket. In this floral, there's also gray in both pieces. The blue with the yellow flowers and the shorts, and then a yellow short with the yellow tee. And the pieces are $11.98 each. Also new Hatchie tanks from Joy Spun. These have the thicker strap scoop neckline. It's a nice kind of stretchy material. It has that scoop at the bottom. And then the seam fit through the back. In the red and white stripe, also comes in the black with love. And these are $9.98. So it comes in this leopard print. How pretty are these new jeans from No Boundaries? So these are probably online only. They're high rise. They have pork chop pocket, the little side pocket. This is where they put the returned items. but they're cargo wide leg. I'm not sure if they're going to be in stores. So new nightgowns from Joyce Spun. So these have plunging V to relaxed sleeve, longer length with the slits on the side. Same fit through the back and all the Valentine print. So there's the chocolate covered strawberries, the red and white hearts. They also have a gray and pink hearts. On this side, there's a leopard with the red hearts, the multicolored hearts. And this print is actually from Way to Celebrate, and they're $14.98. Pants and tops flew off the shelves. I was here the other day and they were fully stocked. So Hello Kitty, Yeehaw, it's like a boxy tee with the matching sleep pants. These are super soft. And then they had this colored tee, but now they don't have it no more. It says $14.98. And then they also have these, the Mickey and Minnie. I saw the Mickey and Minnie tee too. So those are completely gone, just a couple days. So mark down the red light therapy mask. So this says there's red light for smoother, firmer skin. Infrared helps boost collagen. There's blue for clear, more even toned skin. 360 powerful LEDs, easy 10-minute treatment, backed by science, adjustable fit. This was $99. It's now $80. New licensed Valentine's pajamas. So these have a smaller colorful button, the pull-on shorts and Snoopy. They also have How Cute Is That Hello Kitty. There's Nightmare Before Christmas. These are $17.48. Oh, look at the little Dalmatian. And then also licensed sleep shirts. These have that split V. They have Hello Kitty. Look at Mrs. Potts. How cute. And then strawberry shortcake and such. The other color in the Joyce Spun genuine suede slippers. And these are my size. I think I should grab them because I love, love, love the other ones that I showed, the slingbacks. So it'd be good to have another pair of these. Have that round toe, a little bit of a platform. We saw them in the chocolate brown, and I think these are on sale for $20. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. This Valentine's Day slippers with the little head wrap, and also these round toe open back Mary Janes. These say that they're comfort socks, so they're almost like a mix of like Birkenstock. Boots from Time and True. So these have a little bit of a round toe, chunky yellow pull on like moto boot style. Another from No Boundary. On major sale online. They're new from Time and True. Well, they've been around. They're just hard to find in stores. But these are under like $14. They have the pointed toe, chunky heel, that fringe with the zipper on the side. Time and True wedges. I love these. I have the clogs on now, so I wanted to get these. They also have black online, but they're regularly $30. In store, they're $30. Online, they're down to $14.32. So they're just like the perfect throw-on shoe. You get that heel, but they're comfortable. And end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.